Hey everyone! Today I'm drawing a colorful pineapple poppet with glitter colors. It's super easy and fun. Let's get started. Glitty Art English! First, I start by drawing a big round shape for the body. Next, I draw the leafy crown on top. It looks like a star. Then I add some straight lines across the body to divide it into sections. Now it's time for the final part, the popping circles. Did you know? Pineapples are made up of many small fruitlets that grow together into one big fruit. That's why this poppet design looks just like the real pineapple's bumpy surface. Let's move on to coloring. First, I color the top leafy part with glitter green. Then, I color the second section with glitter orange. For the third section, I use glitter yellow. Next, I color the fourth section in glitter red. For the fifth section, I use glitter sky blue. And finally, I color the last section with glitter purple. Our glitter pineapple pop, it is all done and looks amazing! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next drawing!